It's right on the fence right now. It's over the halfway mark, it should go. Hang on, I want to put this wedge back in, just in case it were to fall out. Yeah, I'm snug up against it now. Look at that, that's impressive. It's very impressive that that is still there. Oh my God, there we go. So I literally cut through quite a bit of wood with just these wedges. So here's where I stuck the nose of my bar in and cut that out. And then here's where I put that big wedge in. And I'm glad these things are actually kind of sharp, because that came in quite useful there, because it pushed up in here and actually started to slice through the wood, which is then what allowed the tree to go over. So now what I've got to do, I've got to quickly process this. I've got to process this log, cut this stump off at ground level, then leave